very much. Akin na to. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. A couple of weeks ago, we were sent an email containing a list of questionnaires to prepare us for today. There was one question that struck me. And so, in the past few days, in the stillness of the night, in the silence of the dawn, I pondered. And I surmised that this award must not be looked upon as an ornament of pride, lest we go into the sin of arrogance. And arrogance does not have any place in the Montessori system. Rather, it must be looked upon as a testament to God's infinite grace, mercy, and blessing. Because in the 30 years, He has used OP Montessori to answer our prayers, to give us our daily bread, and towards the past few years, and hopefully towards the twilight of my career, to become instruments of His peace. 30 years has shown faith, trust, and hope. Dr. Sullivan and Ms. Sarah, you have given us the trust and confidence for those 30 years that we may become part of the mission to lift the child, to emancipate the child out of his illiteracy, from the oppression. It has been 30 years of faith that in the system, in the work that we do, we become instruments for us to be able to mold the future of mankind. And it is 30 years of hope that what we are doing is essential to nation building. I must thank you all because in the 30 years of this journey, from table 1 to table 20, some more than others have been part of this journey. And I thank you all for making this the happiest place on earth. Because when you're here, it is not a job, it is your calling. I thank you all. Dr. Sullivan and Ms. Sarah, in behalf of all these people, awardees or otherwise, we pray that God continue to be good to you. Because why not? You have a warmth, a charm, and a class of your own. Your love for this country is unquestionable. Your love for the humankind is unparalleled. This is a family business because you treat us as family, not as employees. We can never thank you enough. So from the bottom of our hearts, we thank you. May God be all good to you. And let us continue the work. Cheers to more years. Maraming salamat. Extra pa ako. Thank you. Thank you.